Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Machine TV. This morning we're in Elandsfontein at StrucMAC Heavy Engineering, where we're going to be talking to Marius Conradi from WD Hearn and Andre Hatting, the MD and owner of the company. Andre, vertel ons bietjie van StrucMAC eerste.
Want ons het begin in 97 waar ons as 'n klein maatskappy begin het net binne 'n basiese garage en van daar af het ons groter gaan en wat ons is op die stadium ons het begin omtrent 'n 40 vierkante meter fasiliteit waar ons nou omtrent 'n 4000 vierkante meter fasiliteit het en wat ons dan alles in huis doen. Ons doen van machining, boiler making, alles in huis. Ons stuur niks uit nie, ons hou alles in huis.
En hoekom WD Hearn?
WD Hearn, toe ons klein was niemand bereid om ons te help nie en Graham en sy span was van die begin af bereid om ons te help. Hulle het van ons masjiene vir ons gefinansier deur die firma en ons oor 6 maande of 'n jaar laat afbetaal en ook omdat hulle vir ons die regte masjien vir die regte applikasie kry. Gewoonlik as mense na iemand toe gaan kry hulle die regte masjien vir applikasie nie. Hulle het 'n baie reeks en hulle gee vir ons gewoonlik die regte masjien vir die regte applikasie.
Dankie Andre. Let's take a walk into the machine shop and have a look. Marius, tell us a little bit more about this Skoda floorboarder and the project that you guys undertook with them.
Okay, we came to Andre. We've been involved with him for the past 10 years, but the project 7 years ago, we identified this is the machine that Andre needs. So it was a complete greenfields project. We basically, the factory was built around the machine, so the foundation was done. And our technicians went to Austria and they disassembled the machine. It was packed, it was shipped here, and then recommissioned here, and yeah. Now it's still working for the past 7 years. But it's been a big project for us and a huge success, I think, for StrucMAC as well.
Andre, vertel ons bietjie van die nuwe Universal LED wat julle onlangs aangeskaf het.
Ons het 'n probleem gehad dat ons nie binne in werkstukke kan inkom om te machine nie en kan boor en tap nie en veral in die category cases wat ons besig om te doen vir J Engineering. En daarom het ons besluit om hierdie kop aan te koop, want die ding is van die kop, hy's vol hidrolies, so ons hoef nie met die hand te draai nie, hy's altyd akkuraat. So dit was vir ons was 'n goeie besluit om te doen. Hy het wel 1,2 miljoen rand gekos, maar om binne die werkstuk in te kom nog steeds akkuraat te wees, was vir ons nogal redelik kritiek en dit het baie van ons tyd. Dit maak ons werkstukke baie vinnig, waar ons op tafel van die masjien af weer oor doen kan ons dit nou op een slag op die masjiene doen.
So Marius, tell us a little bit more about the Sanko 4-meter machine here.
Okay, Sanko has been also a focus for us. It's a good machine for the mining industry. It's a bit more heavy, boxway machine. So it's a Taiwanese machine tool builder, and they really build value for money machines. And Andre has realized that with the work that he's doing, these machines perform really well for him in the machine shop.
I also see that most of Andre's machines have been retrofitted with Renishaw probing equipment. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Renishaw has been a big focus for us in the past 5 years. We sent a few of our technicians over to Renishaw in the UK for training, so we bring the probing in from the UK and we install it ourselves and connect it to the controllers. So it's a big sort of focus for us. We believe it's the next step into making smart factories and making it easier for the operator to set up components, measure, and just make it a lot easier in general for the operators.
Marius, this lead well lathe that Andre has here with the driven tooling is a little bit different from some of the other machines that he has in his machine shop. Perhaps tell us a little bit more about this one.
Yes, Lee. The Leadwell RTC25 DMY is a Y-axis lathe, so it adds a bit more versatility when turning component. It was bought to turn special nuts and bolts. You can do off-center work, off-the-center PCD. You can do drilling radially and axially. So it's quite versatile if you do components that's a bit more complex.